Let's learn how to turn off the keyboard sound on an iPhone. If the keyboard sound annoys you, and you want to turn it off but don't know how, you don't have to struggle with it anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to disable the keyboard sound on your iPhone. What you need to know is that it doesn't matter which iPhone you have. It's the same on all phones. It also doesn't matter if you have iOS 17 or 16, or any earlier version. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. When you open Settings, you'll be on the main page with a lot of options. However, most of those options are not needed for this tutorial. The option you need is Sound and Haptics, which has a speaker icon next to it. Once you find this option, click on it, and a page with several options will open. Among all those options, you need to scroll a bit to find the option called Keyboard Feedback, which you should click on. When you click on this option, a page with two options will open, but you only need one. If you want to turn off the keyboard sound, you need to disable the sound option at the top.
You will do this by clicking on the green button to make it gray.
Once the button is gray, you have successfully turned off the keyboard sound on your iPhone. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.